Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. To enable or disable DAC, we need to enter into developer options, because in the application we have no information about LDAC or another codecs. Right here, as you can see, nothing. Even in device information. If you don't know how to enable developer options on your phone, you can check video at the hardware set info channel. We have it just for your device. And once you enable it, you need to go to the settings, then system. And in the system we have developer options. Enter here and you have two options, or you scroll down and you need to find Bluetooth audio codec. Also, you can use the search and you can write codec right here. And here's Bluetooth audio codec located in the developer options. Tap at this line. Now, to change it, to enable or disable it, you need to enable HD audio. If you have it disabled, you cannot do this and you will use SBC codec by default. Now, once you enable it, right here we have three codecs. So to disable DAC, you need to swap to AC or SBC, so you can click at the AC or SBC, or you can disable HD audio. To enable DAC, you need to also tap the Bluetooth audio codec and select LDAC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!